Best important GK questions for 11th class. The fan machine was invented by whom? Secular Scats Wheeler. Number 2. Nikola Tesla was born on which date? 10th July 1856. Number 3. X Research and Development Company is subsidiary of which corporation? Alphabet Incorporation. When Azad Hind, the Provisional Government of Free India, was founded? 1943. Which brand from India is world's fifth strongest brand? Reliance Jio. Life Insurance Corporation of India was established on which date? 1 September 1956. Sri Somnath Jyotirlinga Temple located at where in India? Saurashtra, Gujarat. Where is the Bala Sahib Thackeray Zoological Park in India? Maharashtra. Where is the Ratle Hydroelectric Plant in India? Kiswar, Jammu Kashmir. Who is the 49th Vice President of United States of America? Kamala Harris. What is full form of ASEAN? Association of Southeast Asian Nations. What do you know about FedEx? World's second biggest package shipper company. Rajahmundry is a city in which state of India? Andhra Pradesh. Toward the benefit of art is the slogan of which space agency in the wood? National Aeronautics and Space Administration. What is the official website of NASA? nasa.gov. Amartya Sen got Nobel Memorial Prize in which year? 1998. Matter cannot be created or destroyed statement is validated by which rules? Rule of energy conservation. Law of floating principle was discovered by whom? Archimedes. Qutbuddin Aibak founded which dynasty in India? Ghulam dynasty. Where is Rudrasagar Lake in India? Tripura. Who is the first women Lok Sabha Speaker? Mihira Kumar. Rome is the capital of which country? Italy. What is the Large Hadron Collider? Most powerful particle collider machine. Bedwa River is the tributary of which river in India? Yamuna. Which game is related to the Ranji Trophy? Cricket. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us and comment your marks use code.